guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. On today's episode of All Things Jazzy, we're going to do this high ponytail that you just saw in that pic. Super easy. I call it the Barbie beat, the Barbie pony. So stay tuned throughout this video. It's super easy. I'm not a hairstylist or anything, but however, I do know how to tame my hair. So girl, get your hair cute just like me. It's my concentrating face for me. For you so you can kind of see how it's all coming together. It's super easy. I promise you can do this at home alone, all on your own, and it's gonna come out so be. You're gonna slay, you're gonna look cute, and you better take pictures. Make sure you tag me or go ahead and comment below if you like the style and what other styles you like to see me do. hair. I chose 12 to 14 because I will be cutting it anyway to get that flip Barbie look. So you can definitely choose your bundles, some old bundles that you had that's laying around the house, girl. So as you can see, I'm kind of putting just a little glue because I don't want the whole thing glued. I don't want it to seep through the cap and have to deal with all that residue. Like I said, this is a really quick look because I'm kind of in a rush like I'm always am. So I had to hurry up and do my hair. So you're just going to wrap 2 tracks because, I mean, you can use 1, but I'd rather 2 for the fullness. So that's what you could kind of see me doing right there. Here guys, I am measuring my hair to see where I actually want to cut it at. Like I said, I want that Barbie look, so I don't want it too long. So right now that's the length I'm going for. It's so cute.